Hey, welcome to this video tutorial about using Peltarion AI for Sheets add-on. AI for Sheets is an add-on that lets you use deep learning models inside Google Sheets. First, I'll show you how you can import existing data inside your spreadsheets to train a neural network. Then, I'll show you how to install and use the add-on itself. Here I have a spreadsheet with some recorded data about sales revenue. There's a header row with the name of variables, like the date, the shop name, the advertisement level, and the daily revenue. Each row under it contains one record or example of data, which gives values for all of the variables. I can use these examples to train a model that predicts one variable as a function of the others. For example, the daily sales revenue as a function of everything else. To do that, I just have to download this sheet as a CSV file. Then I'll go to the Peltarion platform, create a new project, and import this file. Check out the tutorial on sales forecasting to see how you can build and train a neural network for this task. For now, I'm going to assume that I have a model that's already deployed and that I want to use it inside Google Sheets. I've got another sheet here with data examples for future dates, and I want to predict their revenue. The first thing to do is to install the add-on, which you can do by clicking on Add-ons, Get Add-ons, search for Peltarion AI for Sheets, and click Install. Google might ask you to give permissions to the add-on. What the add-on will do is to read the values from the spreadsheet cells that you specify, send them to your model deployed at Peltarion, and write the results back inside your spreadsheet. The connection between Google Sheets and Peltarion is encrypted, and we don't keep any values after the model is done running. To use the add-on, I'll click on Add-ons, select Peltarion AI for Sheets, and click on Show Sidebar. What I'll do in the sidebar is to click on Enter Credentials, which asks me for the URL and token of the model. Nobody can use your models if they don't have these credentials, so keep them private. The URL and token are given on the platform in the deployment view, and you can copy them from there. Once you're connected to the model, the method lets you specify the type of task that your model solves, which helps to interpret the results and fill the cells nicely. Predicting a single numerical value is a regression task, so we'll leave it selected. Now there are three things to specify. The header range is a range of cells that contains the name of the features that your model expects. These names are also given on the platform in the deployment view. I can use a cell selection to provide this information to the sidebar. The data range is the range of cells with the corresponding values using one row per input example. Finally, the output range is the range of empty cells where you want to write the predictions from the model. When I click Predict, my model is used to make predictions, and the add-on fills the cells in my spreadsheet with the results. And that's how the add-on works. Check out our sales predictions tutorial for more details about building a neural network for this task, or visit peltarion.com to see what else you can do with deep learning.